The highest paying skilled trades you can start with zero experience. Let me say something that might make a lot of people uncomfortable. If you're broke, stuck, or living paycheck to paycheck right now, it's probably not because you're lazy, it's because you were never shown a real on-ramp. Most people don't fail because they lack motivation.
You got lazy.
They fail because every good career they were told about requires a 4-year degree of college, or tens of thousands of debt, or experience they don't have. And nobody tells you how to get experience without experience. That's what this video is about, because here's the truth. There are skilled trades right now in 2026 that will pay you while you learn, don't require college, and don't require experience.
Really?
And they can realistically put you on a 6-figure path. My name's JV Charles. I've spent over 30 years inside the skilled trades industry. I've watched people walk in with nothing but a work ethic and walk out years later with houses, pensions, paid off trucks, and real freedom. I'm here to help you expose the lie that college is the only path forward, and to show you how skilled trades are becoming the smartest financial move of the next generation. Today, I'm breaking down the highest paying skilled trades you can start with zero experience. No fluff, no fantasy jobs, no just learn the code nonsense. These are real careers hiring right now that train you from the ground up. And if you stay to the end, I'll tell you the biggest mistakes beginners make that keeps them broke for years. So let's get into it. Here's something you need to understand before we start. Zero experience does not mean zero value. It means you show up, you listen, you work, and you're willing to learn. The skilled trades don't care about your GPA. They care about whether you can be trained or not. And the shortage right now is so severe that companies are desperate for beginners who are coachable. So let's talk about the trades where that matters most. Electrician apprentice. This is one of the best entry points in all of the skilled trades. You don't need experience, you don't need college, and in many states you don't even need tools to start. As an electrician apprentice, you'll learn the job while you get paid. You're pulling wire, setting boxes, learning safety, and understanding systems step by step. In 2026, first-year apprentices are earning between $40,000 and $50,000 a year. But year 3 or 4, many are making $70,000 to $90,000. Licensed electricians regularly break 6 figures. This trade works because electricity is everywhere. Homes, factories, data centers, hospitals, and every master electrician today started exactly where you would, knowing nothing. HVAC installer. HVAC is one of the most beginner-friendly trades in the country. Companies don't expect you to know refrigeration theory on day one. They expect you to show up on time and be willing to work. As a helper or installer, you'll learn how systems are assembled, installed, and maintained. In 2026, HVAC helpers are earning $45,000 to $60,000 a year, and within a few years, technicians earn $75,000 to $100,000. Specialists in commercial or industrial systems earn much more. People don't tolerate being hot or cold, ever. That makes HVAC one of the most reliable trades you can start with zero experience. Construction equipment operator. This is an entry-level position, and this one surprises people. You don't need years of experience to get started as an equipment operator. Many companies and unions train beginners on skid steers, loaders, backhoes, and excavators. Entry-level operators earn $50,000 to $65,000 in 2026. Experienced operators regularly earn $90,000 to $120,000. And infrastructure projects are exploding all over America. Roads, bridges, utilities, and energy products don't build themselves. If you can learn to operate machines safely, you can become valuable fast. Welding helper and trainee. You don't need to be a master welder to start in welding. Many shops hire helpers who learn grinding, fitting, material prep, and basic welding processes. In 2026, welding helpers earn $40,000 to $50,000 a year. As skill improves, income jumps quickly. Certified welders, pipe welders, and structural welders earn $90,000 and beyond. Welding rewards skill, not credentials. And every welder you see making big money once stood exactly where you are, with no experience. Plumbing apprentice and plumbing apprenticeships exist for one reason. The industry needs people badly. You learn while working under licensed plumbers. You start with basic installs, repairs, and maintenance, and in 2026, plumbing apprentices can earn $45,000 to $50,000 a year. Licensed plumbers routinely earn $80,000 to $120,000 a year. Water doesn't stop flowing because the economy slows. That's why plumbers stay busy. Fire alarm and low voltage technician. This is one of the most overlooked entry trades. Fire alarm and low voltage technicians work on fire suppression systems, security systems, access control, and data and communication lines. Most companies will train beginners from scratch. In 2026, entry-level techs earn $50,000 to $65,000 a year, and experienced technicians earn $80,000 to $100,000 a year. Every commercial building requires these systems by law. That's job security most people don't even know exists. Maintenance technicians. Maintenance techs are the backbone of buildings and plants. You don't need deep specialization to start. You learn a little of everything. Electrical basics, mechanical repairs, plumbing fixes, and preventive maintenance. In 2026, entry-level maintenance techs earn $50,000 to $60,000 a year. Industrial and senior techs earn $80,000 to $100,000 a year. When something breaks, someone has to fix it. That someone is you. Telecom and fiber optic installer. Fiber is expanding everywhere. Rural areas, cities, data centers, 5G networks. Companies hire beginners and train them on installation and testing. In 2026, entry-level fiber installers earn $50,000 to $70,000 a year. Experienced techs can earn $90,000 and more. The internet isn't an option anymore. This makes the trade future-proof and beginner-friendly. Wind turbine technician. This is one of the fastest growing trades in America. You don't need experience, you need mechanical aptitude and willingness to learn. In 2026, wind techs earn $55,000 to $75,000 a year starting out. Experienced technicians earn $80,000 to $100,000 a year, and renewable energy isn't slowing down. That's for sure. And these jobs can't be outsourced. Let's talk union apprenticeships. This might be the most important point in the entire video. Union exists to train beginners, electricians, carpenters, ironworkers, pipe fitters, operating engineers, UAW guys. You apply, you get trained, you get paid. You get benefits, you get pension, zero experience necessary. It's not a disadvantage having no experience, it's expected in this field. But let me tell you the mistake that keeps people broke. They wait until they feel ready. They think they need tools first. They think they need knowledge first. They think they need confidence first. You don't. You get ready by starting. Every skilled tradesperson you respect once walked onto a job site not knowing a damn thing. The difference is they stayed. And here's the reality nobody will tell you. The skilled trades don't need perfect people. They need reliable ones. If you show up early and work hard and learn fast, good things will happen. You will out-earn most college graduates before they even finish paying interest on their loans. College sells hope, skilled trades sells skills, and skills pay the bills. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and tell me which one you're considering. And remember, you don't need experience to change your life. You just need the courage to start building it.